It's very...
This is how you bead with the invisible thread. I want to make sure that this is on camera. I'm not sure if you can really see it very well, but take the invisible thread, stick it through the eye of the needle, take it up not too far, grab one of your beads. In this case, it's a pearl, and you will slide it through the hole, take it down, not too far down, and then just far enough to slide the other end of the thread. I'm not sure if you can see that. And what you'll do next is take it through one of the holes of the fabric, which in this case is the veil. It's tulle. Stick it through the hole. What you want to do is slide the actual piece that was shorter on the thread through, and then next you take the needle as you hold the other end of the thread, slide it through like you're going to tie a shoe. Make a actual loop, then you want to tie it back through the other end and go straight through. Take it, oops, it didn't go through, sorry. Take it through the hole, the loop, slide it through. Oh, forget it. Sometimes that'll happen. So you could just take your fingers and do it the old-fashioned way. Take it through the hole, tie it. And what you want to do then is clip it at the closest of the pearl. Clip the thread very close to the pearl, but do not cut your fabric. And there you are. And actually, I did this whole entire veil